Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to my channel IG Tech Team. In my previous video, I have made one application, and in this video, I will convert that application into APK file. Means I will create one mobile application, or I can say Android application. I want to convert this F5 into mobile application. So for this, first of all, I have to rename this F5 as main. It is compulsory. I have to rename this as main.py. And I have to make sure if this my Python file is working correctly or not. So for this, let me check this Python file. Let me run my main.py file. Okay, this is my app. I want to convert this application into APK file. I will use Collaboratory to write my code, and I also suggest you to use Collaboratory because you will not get error if you use Collaboratory. And to open Collaboratory, you can search for collab.research for google.com. This will provide platform to write code. You can create new notebook and you can write code there. But I will open my previous file. You can create new file and you can copy the code that I have provided in my video description. Now guys, I have to upload my file, means I have to upload this Python file in my Collaboratory, and this Python file is dependent on these two images, so I have to upload these two images also. I can run this code and I can click on choose file. I can upload my file in this way, or I can also upload my file. Let me first select cancel upload. I can click on these files, you can see here, and from here I can click on this upload. Let me select main and then these two images. Open. Now let me close this. I will use Bulldozer to make my application, so I have to install this package. And these all are dependency that Bulldozer require. So let me execute this cell. I don't need to remember this code, just I have to execute this cell. And also this one. You will get this code in video description. These all are the dependency of Bulldozer. And this is last one. Okay, now next step is important. Now I have to initialize this Bulldozer, so let me execute this cell, and now I can select this and I can type Y and enter. You can see here file bulldozer.spec created, ready to customize. Bulldozer.spec file created. I can check here in my files. You can see here now I have bulldozer.spec file. So this is the file from where I can update the name of my application, or I can update any other information. So I have to download this file. Let me open this file. You can see here I can change the title. This will be the title of my mobile application. Suppose let me write here game. In the same way I can check for another information. You can see here I can change the version of my application from here, and I have already uploaded my main.py file, and this will be the icon of my application. I have to write here, I have to remove this data, and I have icon.png in this directory. So there are so many information. I can change all information from here. You can read this by yourself. Now let me save this file and let me close this. And now I have to delete this file. Let me delete this. And I have to upload my updated file. So this is my updated file. Now this is the last step. This step takes a little bit more time. I think 10 to 15 minutes depending on your computer. So let me execute this shell. I have to type Y and enter. I have to accept all the license, so I have to type Y. Again I have to type Y and enter. Now be patient and wait. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. So let me skip this process. Okay, great. You can see here my Android file is ready. Android packaging done, and my APK file is available in the bin directory. So where is this bin directory? I can click on this file, and you can see here this is my bin folder, and inside this I have my application. So this is my required application. I can download this app. So my application file is successfully downloaded. Now let me connect my mobile. Let me copy this file. And let me paste it here. I hope you can see my screen. Now let me install my APK file in my mobile. So this is my APK file. The name of my application is game, but my icon of this application is not getting changed. I don't know why. If I will figure this in coming days, I will definitely mention this in comment section or in my video description. Or guys, if you know what is the problem, you can please do mention in the comment section. It will be very useful. Now I can click on this continue installing. Install. Okay, blocked by Play Protect. Yes, Google doesn't know me, so it shows me some warning, and I trust myself, so I can click on install anyway. Now I can open this file or open this application. Okay, this is my application. Now I can write here my name, and I can write any age, and if I click the submit, welcome my name. So this is the application, and I can send my application for scanning, so you can easily scan your app. You can click on send. So in this way, using Bulldozer, you can convert your Python file into APK file. In my previous video, I have made this app, and in this video, I have successfully converted that app into mobile application. So how is this video? If you have any problem, please do comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel IG Tech Team. I will meet you soon. Stay safe and keep learning.